Hi, I'm Patrick, Aquascape Supplies, and today I want to just introduce some pumps. We've had them for a while, but I'd just like to go over some details of these FlowFriend pumps. They're high flow, low wattage, low energy consumption pumps, and they're an external pump, so they're recommended for use on, say, recreation ponds or larger features where you need more water flow and you want to keep an eye on power consumption. These are ideal for recreation ponds because obviously they're mounted outside of the water. They're also a really solid stainless steel construction, and we actually have there's three forms of these, but I've got two here today to show. We have the 40,000 unit, so this is 40,000 litres of water that this unit will push, and with a power consumption of around about 400 watts when it's going flat out. You're able to adjust the flow rates on these as well. You can adjust the revs and just tone it down to exactly how you want it. For instance, in our warehouse we have our recreation pond, and we've got it toned down to about 300 watts to run our wetland and our jetting and run the whole feature. So that's really efficient for a medium size, small to medium size feature, or something that is necessary for around about 40,000 litres. Head height on these, I think it's about 6 metres. So it's not a massive head height, but if you're running a wetland, you should keep it low anyway. Don't put it at the head of your waterfall or ahead of your long creek above your recreation pond or system. Put the wetland down closer where you've got low head, and that way you're using less power. This is the 70,000, so 70,000 litres an hour, and it runs at a power usage of around about 740 watts when it's going flat out. I'd run it at around about 680, just for a nice tick over. It's got an 8 metre head, and ideal again for larger wetlands. You've got to think about it, a wetland has to run 24/7, so these pumps are really low consumption. They'll deliver the water quantity you need for low power usage, really ideal for that. We have another one which is 100,000, so there's a step up from that as well, which is 100,000 litres with similar power consumption, a little bit more for higher head applications as well. You can get a bit more water up higher with that. FlowFriend pumps, check them out on the Aquascape website. We have plumbing to go with these. They're all set up ready to go inside. We would normally mount them inside a pit externally and draw water from the skimmer, as well as an intake bay vault setup. Check them out.